Today, we're cracking open the facts about the top 5 nuts you absolutely must include in your diet. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients, healthy fats, and energy. Let's get into it. At number 5, we have pistachios. These vibrant green gems are rich in antioxidants, especially lutein and zeaxanthin, which are great for eye health. They're also a good source of protein and fiber, perfect for keeping you full between meals. Tip: choose roasted, unsalted pistachios for the healthiest option. Next is cashews. These creamy nuts are loaded with magnesium, iron, and zinc, all essential minerals for energy, immunity, and brain health. Cashews also support healthy bones and can be a delicious dairy alternative when blended into sauces or dips. Tip: try making your own cashew milk. It's easier than you think. Number 3 is the walnut, and yes, they really do look like tiny brains. That's fitting because they're one of the best nuts for brain health, thanks to their high omega-3 content. Walnuts also help fight inflammation and improve heart health. Tip: a small handful daily is all you need to get the benefits. In second place, we've got almonds. These are a classic, and for good reason. They're rich in vitamin E, great for skin health, and can help lower cholesterol. Plus, they're a high-protein snack that's perfect on the go. Tip: keep a small pack of almonds in your bag to avoid reaching for junk food. And at number 1, the Brazil nut. Just one of these a day gives you all the selenium your body needs, which supports thyroid function and boosts your immune system. But be careful, too many can actually be harmful, so stick to just 1 or 2 a day. Caution: don't overdo it. Moderation is key with Brazil nuts. There you have it, 5 powerful nuts that deserve a spot in your daily diet. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on future nutrition tips. Thanks for watching Nutri Facts with Simone. Stay healthy, stay nutty, and I'll see you in the next one.